I've got asked this week what would be the one secret I would give to someone who's looking to become a successful trader. Let me share that with you and more right now. Hey there traders, Andrew here at the Forex Trading Coach with video and podcast number 534. So this week I got asked on a webinar by someone who's looking to trade, and they said, hey Andrew, look, if you could give one secret in trading to help me to become successful, what would that be? And to me, it's quite simple. It's looking at the longer time frame charts. And today's a perfect example. So I'm making this video on Thursday the 1st of February, a day earlier than normal. And the reason I'm doing that is because I've just taken the February monthly chart trades. And on our membership site, we identified and I've placed 8 trades on the monthly charts. So based on the January candle close taken at the beginning of February. And with those trades, because they're longer time frame charts, they have many advantages. One, you don't have to be at your charts at the exact time that the new day opens or the new candle opens. You've got hours, days, maybe even longer. Especially the way that we trade with using limit orders or retracement orders as well. It also means that not only are those candle patterns higher quality because they contain more information, more data. When you think about it, they contain a whole month's worth of price action. So when you get a high quality setup, all showing in the right part of the chart, it's going to have a higher probability chance of working. Today, most of those trades, those 8 trades I've taken, are continuation trades. So they are continuing the main longer term trend, but after a recent pullback over let's say October, November, December, January, and now they're ready to then head up or down again in the overall bigger picture. So that again adds more weight, more credibility, more probability to the trades. On top of that, because they're monthly chart trades, the reward to risks are even better as well. Spread becomes almost like completely insignificant. And so with the trades that we've taken, they all range between a 3-to-1 is the smallest reward to risk. So let's imagine if you're risking, let's say, half of 1%, 1.5% is the smallest gain I'm going to make on a profitable trade. But the biggest gain is a 6-to-1 trade. So that means 0.5% risk means I'm making a 3% gain if that trade hits its full profit target. And so they all range between 3-to-1 to 6-to-1 on those 8 trades I've taken. Not only that is today, I've also taken 5 trades on the daily charts that have all been published on our membership site for our clients to follow. But we also put 2 12-hour chart trades on there. So you've got the 8 monthlies, the 5 dailies, that's 13, 2 on the 12-hour charts. That's 15 trades we've placed on our membership site today in real time for everybody to learn from, but also hopefully we get it right and the market does its right thing to earn from as well. So you can see there a massive amount of information that gets published to help our clients to, like I said, to learn and also to earn. Later tonight, my time, I'm holding a live 2-hour webinar with our clients in the European session. At the end of that session, when we finish, we look through depending on what's happening in the market, we might go as low as the 2-hour charts, but more likely the 4-hour, the 6-hour, and the 12-hour charts. So we're probably going to take some more trades live on that session as well. So just goes to show what can be done. Now, going back to that original question, why have I picked trade the longer time frame charts? Because it's more enjoyable. You can go and do things. I've just jumped out the pool here behind me. Now, unlike other people that you will see on YouTube and Facebook and things that hire a red Ferrari or hire a helicopter or go and sit in a hotel somewhere, I do fly. It is my helicopter. On Tuesday I flew. For those of you who followed me on Facebook, you'd see that. Last week I was on the beach. You'd have seen last week with my daughter and a friend on their horses. This is my house behind me. This is real. This is what trading, once you know what you're doing, can help you to achieve. Now, I'm not out there saying you're going to suddenly go and buy yourself a helicopter, a couple of horses, or a house for the pool next year, because you're not going to. That's not real. But over time, the actual learning of knowing what to do with low risk, high reward to risk, and making it enjoyable is all of those things, along with everything else that we provide the community and the suggestions and the advice, etc. All of that combines to make, for me, trading the longer time frame charts the best thing you can do. Because it's just more enjoyable. It's longevity. You can keep doing it. I've been doing this for 20 years, don't forget. And I'm still loving it because I'm not glued to the charts. I think that's a really important point. So most people, when they start, actually want the opposite. They all want to be scalping. They want to trade 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute time frame charts. They want to be taking, like hundreds of trades a day. They want to sort of think they're an AI machine, but realistically, that's just not going to be profitable for you. Spread's going to suddenly destroy your trades, your emotions, all these things that we've talked about all the time come into trading. And also, the longer time frame charts are more reliable. Therefore, the shorter time frame charts are less reliable. Your reward to risks are massively reduced. So put all those things together, trade longer time frame would be my number one key suggestion for you. If you're out there looking for a broker, I can highly recommend Blueberry Markets. They're based in Australia, a really good bunch of guys, and been with them for years, and so have a lot of my clients. And if you've not yet been on my masterclass, I strongly recommend you spend an hour, turn your phone off, turn all your social media stuff off, go and sit down for an hour. It's on demand, so you choose the time that is right for you, and sit down and watch it and learn from it and follow along, see what we do. And you can gain a lot of information from that. So I'll put a link to that on this video and podcast as well. So I hope that helps. This is Andrew Mitchem here at the Forex Trading Coach. I'll see you this time next week. Bye for now.